Hello students, this is Beena teacher. In the last session I taught you about India map, and 3 points was left about Indira Point, Tropic of Cancer, and about Indian Standard Time. So let's see about Indira Point. So Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India, and it is located on 6 degree 45 minutes north parallel. So here you can see 8 degree. Okay, so down you can see this Indira Point. So here we can show 6 degree 45 minutes north parallels of Indira Point. Now there may be some question arising to you, why it is named as Indira Point. So Indira Point is a village in Nicobar district at Great Nicobar Island of Andaman, and this point was formerly known as Pygmalion Point and Parson Point, and it was renamed as Indira Point in honor of Indira Gandhi during mid 1980s. Now let's see about this one, Tropic of Cancer. So here you can see, so what is the degree of Tropic of Cancer? Actually Tropic of Cancer is also a imaginary line. So its degree is 23 degree 30 minutes north, and it passes through which of the states of India? So here it passes through Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Now again some question here, why it is named as Tropic of Cancer? So it's an imaginary line, but when it was renamed, so that time the sun was positioned in the Cancer constellation during the June solstice. So what is the meaning of constellation? Constellation means nakshatra. Now next point about the IST means Indian Standard Time. So can you see here this longitude 82 degree 30 minutes east. This longitude passes to in the middle of Allahabad. So where this Allahabad, it's in Uttar Pradesh. So this longitude you can see till down. Okay, so this IST of India is ahead of 5 hours 30 minutes to Greenwich Meridian time. So that is prime meridian, that I will show you later on. Now you can see, now we will see about Brazil. So I will show you the Brazil map. Now this is Brazil map. Now the capital of Brazil is Brasilia. Okay, and there are total 26 states in Brazil. So that is Acre, you can say Roraima, Amapa, Para, then Rondônia, then Mato Grosso, then you can say here it is Sao Paulo, Paraná. Okay, these are all the states of Brazil. Now today we are going to say about Brazil location and extent of Brazil. So first we will see about the latitudinal extent of Brazil. So here you can see 5 degree. Now here this is 0 degree means equator. So up above, that is 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitude. This is the latitudinal extent of Brazil. Now we will see the longitudinal extent of Brazil. So here you can see this last point, so that is 34 degree 45 minutes west to, now here it is 70, so you can see this extent of Brazil, so it comes here, that is 73 degree 48 minutes west longitude. So you can, and about the location of Brazil, some part of Brazil lies in the north while most of it lies in the southern hemisphere, and also it lies in the western hemisphere in the northern part of the South American continent. Now this is equator, so the equator pass little to the north of Brazil, so here this part of Brazil is in the north part, and from here till here it is in the southern hemisphere. I said that some part is it also lies in the western hemisphere. So you can now some in question answer like objectives, it might ask also that there are two parallel lines passes through Brazil, that is equator and Tropic of Capricorn. So two parallels of latitude passes, this is parallel of latitude, equator and Tropic of Capricorn, it passes through Brazil. Now the neighboring countries of Brazil, you can see over here Peru, Bolivia, Paraguay, Argentina, Colombia, Venezuela, then Guyana, Suriname, then French Guyana. So these are all what Argentina and Uruguay, these are all the neighboring countries of Brazil. Now next I told about that I am going to teach you about prime meridian. So let's see. Yes, so here you can see as you know equator it divides the earth into two parts, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Now what its degree is also what 0. Now here prime meridian, its degree is also 0. This red line, it is prime meridian, so through which countries it passes, that is United Kingdom means UK, then Spain, then France in Europe. And here you can see this one Algeria, then Burkina Faso, Togo, Mali and Ghana in Africa. And the only land masses crossed by the meridian in the southern hemisphere is Antarctica. So this prime meridian line, which represents 0 degree longitude, is an imaginary line and it could have been chosen anywhere, but that time as England, it was ruling to most of the colonies, so they were in powerful. Okay, so it was decided that Greenwich in London would be the prime meridian, and it was also as a prime candidate by an elite group of astronomers during the International Meridian Conference, which was held in 1884. So they decided that Greenwich will be this longitude which passes through Greenwich will be the prime meridian. What else we see here, the similarities between India and Brazil. Now even while I was teaching you about Brazil, that time I said that some part of Brazil lies in the north and rest most it is in the southern hemisphere, and also it is in the western hemisphere. So how it is in the western hemisphere? If we see this prime meridian, so what this prime meridian also divides the earth into two parts, that is Western Hemisphere and Eastern Hemisphere. So in that regard we see that Brazil also lies in the Western Hemisphere. So student, hope that you might have understood today's whatever is been taught. Now in next session I will be teaching you more comparative study about India and Brazil. Little bit similarity India and Brazil has, that is India as well as Brazil are surrounded by water bodies. Now one thing I want to tell about this prime meridian. So actually this why prime meridian is made, or you can say it is carved out of necessity of coordinating timetable, and it should be proper coordination between airlines, transportation services, economic and trade activities. That's why it is, this prime meridian is very useful to us in all that matter. So here this about India and Brazil, some comparative, we will see that it is surrounded by water bodies. Here even Brazil is surrounded by water bodies, and these both the countries, India and Brazil, were under foreign rules for many years. Today both the countries have republic type of government. So that I will tell more what is that republic type of government in next session more elaborately. And both the countries are considered as an important global market today. So in next session I will be teaching you about the comparative study of India and Brazil. So at least 5 to 6 points, and along with this session I am going to send some questions based on today's session. Hope that you will be doing, and you might have understood this lesson. Till this lesson is not yet completed, still I will be needing 2 sessions. So thank you.